welcome to the Cove here at Atlantis on Paradise Island in Nassau, Bahamas. Come on in and I'll show you around our king suite. As you enter, off to the left is a bathroom with double vanities. It has a nice big soaking tub as well as a large stand-up shower. One great thing about Atlantis, or at least here the Cove at Atlantis, is the amenities are fantastic. I will say that. Off to the corner you do have your water closet with the toilet over there, and pretty much everything you could possibly need in this spacious bathroom. So coming through the double doors, we have a large full-length mirror. Here upon exit the door to the hallway, we have the do not disturb and the makeup room sign. So depending which button you press, it'll show the light outside. So that way housekeeping knows whether or not you like privacy or if you're out for the day and you like your room made up. So off to the side here, we do have this very large walk-in closet, tons of hanging space, a large safe down below with 2 drawers. Lots of hanging storage, extra pillows, extra blanket. There's laundry services here, so if you need any services, you can toss them in the bag. There's also robes in there and an ironing board and an iron. So coming this way into the room, it's pretty spacious. We have a nice large desk over here with 3 drawers, a Keurig coffee maker stocked with some K-cups, which they do refill each day. Over here we have some nice lighting over the bed, some reading lamps. This is a nice little touch that I do love. They give you like a relaxed pillow spray. It smells so good. Like if you've been here before, you know as soon as you walk in to the lobby, the signature scent. So again, king size bed here with some drawer space down below. We have 2 large drawers. It also comes with a complimentary beach bag. It has flip-flops in here for us too, like slipper flip-flops. And then it does come with 2 complimentary water bottles, which the water, pro tip here at Atlantis, all of the water here, they have tons of refilling stations and it's all complimentary. So they are really going green here at Atlantis. They provide you with the reusable water bottles to use 2 per guest room. So heading down into the living area, it does have a pull-out couch that sleeps 2 there, and then it also has additional storage here. Lots of drawer space for us. A nice size refrigerator too. I do think it'll be able to hold a gallon of milk for us, for the baby. And then an additional TV, so a second TV here with some extra storage space and a nice little sitting area. They have 24-hour room service, so this is a great little spot to eat in for some dining here. And now heading out onto the balcony, my favorite part. So we are on level 5, which I love being lower on the lower level. I think it has a great view. We're still above the palm trees. On level 5, we also have the extended balcony in comparison to the levels above us, so that's kind of nice. We have an extra large spacious balcony here for the kids to play. And we just have the most fantastic view of the Royal Towers. You can see the Colonnades pool over here. You can see all the way down to the Ryu and the coral, and it's just the most amazing view. So happy to be here. So that sums up sharing the Cove at Atlantis with you all. If you're interested in booking Atlantis, any of the towers, because they do have 5 different towers here, 1 for every budget just about. So if you're interested in hearing more about Atlantis, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.